Now, what I'm going to discuss this day is the we are going to see how to install WordPress themes and then plugins for our blog. Now, if you are working on a blog, we have the interface of a blog. Like we have, if you visit a blog, you understand that different blogs have different URL structures. Okay. Now, if we want, for example, this is a default theme that we chose during the installation of our WordPress, app, and this is how it looks like. And you can see that it doesn't look nice. You can see everything is floating around. You can see the footer, everything is distorted. And for you to change the structure or the layout, you need to install what is called the WordPress theme. And this WordPress theme is similar to when maybe you have a knowledge of a PHP. If you are this kind of a techie guy that uses maybe PHP or CSS or JavaScript. So the WordPress theme contains these files. It has the JavaScript, it has the HTML, and then it also has the PHP. WordPress is built on PHP language, all right? And it's a content management system used by popular websites in the world, all right? So what we have to do, you have to choose a theme from our admin interface. And after choosing the theme, we now have to install it and then activate it before it comes to the front end of our website. We also say that this theme is going to control the layout of our blog. Now, for us to install a theme, you have to log into your admin interface, then go to Appearance, and then go to Themes. Now, when you've clicked on Themes, it's going to display the currently installed themes on your website, and also going to display the one that is currently active. So at the moment here, our theme that is active is a 2021 theme, right? We also have the 2019, we also have the 2020. For you to install a theme, what you have to do, just click on Add New here. When you click on Add New, it's going to display available themes at the WordPress theme repository. So all you have to do is search for the theme you want to use here, and then when you've done, you click on Install. Right? So for me, I would like to choose this theme here called Newsway. So click on Install here. It's going to install. Just wait for the installation process to be completed. Then when you are done with the installation, click on Activate. Now, immediately you click on Activate, our WordPress theme has automatically been activated. Now, if you happen to go back to the front page of your website and refresh, you will notice that the structure is going to change entirely, right? So this is a new structure of our WordPress theme. Now, we've installed the WordPress theme called the Newsway. You can log into your own admin interface, then go to themes, as we said earlier, add new theme, and then install this theme and then activate it. All right. And we are going to install some certain plugins to our WordPress blog. Now go to plugins here, go to add new. And when you click on add new, we are going to install some plugins. So go to the search bar towards your right hand side, and then we are going the first plugin we are going to install is going to be the contact form. So just type here contact form. Okay. When you've clicked on contact form, the plugin is right here. We have about 5 million active installations. Now click on install now. You can check the other ones, the other types of contact form, but this is the one we are specifically looking for. And before we activate, let's keep on installing other plugins. The next plugin we are going to install is going to be the insert header and footer. All right, so head over to the search bar and then input insert header and footer. And this is the one we are going for by WP Beginners, and it has about 1 million plus active installation, and is compatible with the version of the WordPress which we are using now. Now click on install now, and then it says activate. Now I'm going to install another plugin, and that plugin is called the Yoast SEO. Right, remember that this course we are going to also cover the search engine optimization of our WordPress blog, where we want to make our blog post to be fully optimized so that Google search engine and other search engine can be able to see it online. And whenever people search for your content online, they'll be able to see it not directly from Google page without them having to visit the URL of your website, right? So this is what the plugin is going to do. Now, the next plugin we have to install now is called the WP Super Cake, right? WP Super Cake. All right. Now, I made a mistake there. Now, this is the correct spelling. So it has suggested for me, it's a very fast caking engine for WordPress. So it helps to cake your WordPress. We are going to look closely into that when we install and activate it. Right? There are some junk files which you need to um, discharge from your website, so that, for example, if I happen to update some content, someone somewhere, maybe a visitor somewhere, may not see the effect taking place. So this plugin is going to help you do that, all right, by disposing some of those unused HTML or CSS or JavaScript on your website. Now, when you've done that, let's first of all activate this before going ahead to activate other ones which you've installed. And click on activate. Now we have other plugins which we installed here. We have the contact form. We are going to tick them here. Then insert header and footer, make sure you tick it here. Then the yours SEO, make sure you tick it here. Also, this Akismet anti-spam, make sure you tick it. For the hello dolly, you can choose to delete it. It's not necessary for now. And when you've done that, go to the bulk action here, click on it, then click on activate, then click on apply. When you click on apply, it's going to activate all the plugins which you've selected now. All right, for now, let's go over to our dashboard. You may be getting this notification that there's a huge SEO issue, that we are blocking access to our robot. Yes, that's right, because we don't want search engines now to optimize or to see what we are currently doing, as we said earlier when we were setting up our WordPress website. Okay, so now we've successfully installed our WordPress theme. We've installed our WordPress theme, and also we've installed some necessary plugins which we want to use in the course of this course now. All right, so I would like to stop here, and I thank you so much for joining me once again, and I'll